So here we are in Niedergösgen in the middle of Switzerland. We produce green hydrogen, taking electricity from a hydropower plant of Alpic, a Swiss electricity utility, and we compress the hydrogen to bring it to different fuel stations across Switzerland. So we were the first producer of green hydrogen in Switzerland to supply this green hydrogen to the fuel stations. We remain the main one today in Switzerland in the amount of kilos and tons that are brought to the fuel stations. So on hydrogen you hear a lot about it, you see a lot of PowerPoints, but there's not that many people who really do it. So here we have over 5 years of experience running an electrolyzer, a compressor, and then also doing the logistics. So the learning curve is quite high. What we also really value is the collaboration with a supplier like Nel, that when you face challenges, which you have in a pioneer phase, that you solve them together.
We are here at the hydrogen production plant, Kobo. It was built on the premise of a hydropower plant, and we have a direct electrical connection to this hydropower plant. Through that, we make sure that we have renewable electricity to produce green hydrogen on site. And the green hydrogen produced is compressed on site here and through filling panels filled into mobile storage containers, which then go to hydrogen refueling stations to refuel heavy-duty and light-duty fuel cell electric vehicles. The nameplate capacity of the hydrogen production plant is 36 kilograms of hydrogen per hour, and the nominal power input is 2 megawatt. This hydrogen production plant is the cornerstone of the Swiss hydrogen infrastructure, supporting the operation of heavy-duty trucks in Switzerland.
So H2 Energy is really the architect of the Swiss hydrogen ecosystem. It all started back in 2016 with the first project for Coop, where we delivered a fuel cell truck, a hydrogen refueling station, as well as a hydrogen production based on the C30 electrolyzer from Nel. So the key to developing a hydrogen ecosystem is really to have strong partners throughout the whole value chain. So this starts at the end user, like the logistics companies and the food retailers who want to decarbonize their operations. Then you need truck. Here we partnered with Hyundai to launch their Exient fuel cell truck here in Switzerland on a pay-per-use model. These trucks, they fill up like you've seen at regular refueling stations, which are equipped with hydrogen compressor and refueling system. And then of course you need the hydrogen, which is delivered by Hydrospider. The PEM electrolyzer from Nel is really a core element of the entire system. It allows our customers to convert renewable energy into green hydrogen molecules, which they can use for various applications throughout the entire value chain. We've been working with Nel for many years. We've worked very closely together to, resolve many issues, solve many problems, improve the systems, and we're now very confident to deliver turnkey power plants on that basis.
I'm very excited about the partnership with H2 Energy going forward. They have built a solid infrastructure for hydrogen in Switzerland, something they can also replicate in other markets, and that gives them opportunities to do more in transportation, more with industrial customers, etc. And recently they bought another unit from Nel that will be used to fuel waste collection trucks in Switzerland that will run on hydrogen. And that's just one example of a new application. So I think the future in Switzerland is quite exciting. Thanks to the work of H2 Energy, we can see additional application in transportation, we will see industrial applications and other things.